Caillou. Get up now.
Dad, what in the actual heck was that for?
Go downstairs and we will tell you.
We have some great news. We are going to China for a vacation.
Yay. Rosie's so excited to go to China.
Ugh. I don't want to go to China. I wanted to go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
No, Caillou. We are going to China and that's final.
And Caillou, we expect you to be on your best behavior for the entire trip. 5 strikes and you will be grounded. Understand?
Yes, Mom. I understand.
Good. Now let's get in the car to go to the airport.
Mom. Dad. I'm hungry. Can we please go to Chuck E. Cheese's right over there?
No. If we go to Chuck E. Cheese's, we will miss our flight.
But Dad, I am really hungry.
No, Caillou. We are not going to Chuck E. Cheese's. We will eat once we get on the plane.
I want Chuck E. Cheese's. 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 I want Chuck E. Cheese's.
Caillou. Stop throwing a tantrum. That's it. That's strike 1.
4 more strikes and you're grounded.
Hello, welcome to the Vion Airport. How may I help you today?
I would like 4 tickets to China, please.
Here you go, sir. Enjoy your flight.
All right. Now that our security check is done, Boris and I need to head to the bathroom real quick. And Caillou, don't do anything bad while we're gone, okay?
Okay, Mom. I'm going to throw Rosie through the luggage conveyor belt. Ha 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 ha.
Mommy. Daddy. Please help.
How dare you throw Rosie into the luggage conveyor? That's it. That's strike 2.
3 more strikes and you're grounded.
May I please have your attention? We are now preparing for takeoff for Flight 25001. We expect to arrive to Shanghai, China in 12 hours. Please fasten your seatbelts and turn off all electronic devices now. Once we are in the air, Wi-Fi will be provided and all devices on airplane mode will be permitted. Also, oxygen masks are stored in the ceiling and seat cushions double as a flotation device in case of an emergency. In the event of an emergency landing, there are emergency exits in the front and back of the plane. If it is dark, lights will appear as a guide to the emergency exits. Thank you. And enjoy your flight.
Attention passengers. We will now be playing the Emoji Movie. Popcorn and other snacks will be provided by the flight attendants as usual. We hope you enjoy the movie.
Yay. Rosie loved the Emoji Movie.
Ugh. I don't want to watch the Emoji Movie. That movie is so stupid. I want to watch Shrek. That movie is way better.
Caillou. They are not going to play Shrek. They are playing the Emoji Movie and that's final.
Plus, your sister loves the Emoji Movie. Be considerate of others.
I want to watch Shrek. 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 I want to watch Shrek.
Caillou. Stop crying and dancing like a spoiled brat. That's it. That's strike 3.
2 more strikes and you're grounded.
Mom, can I please go to the bathroom?
Sure. Just don't take too long.
Wow. This is a really clean bathroom. I'm impressed. I'm going to soil the whole thing. Ha 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 ha.
Thank goodness you're finally out. I need to go to the bathroom.
Warning, this next scene is not for anyone with a weak stomach or is easily grossed out. If you are one of those people, please skip to the listed time immediately. Resuming the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. Caillou. I can't believe you pooped all over the bathroom. That's it. That's strike 4.
Just one more strike and you're grounded. Be really careful or else you'll regret it.
Mommy. Rosie don't feel good.
Rosie, are you going to be alright?
No. Rosie. Going to.
Oh my freaking gosh. Rosie. How dare you throw up all over me, you are so gross. GRRRR.
Mommy. Daddy. Can we be mean?
Caillou. How dare you yell at your sister like that? You know she is only 2 and got airsick. That's it. That's strike 5, which is your final strike.
This means you are grounded for 350,792,560 years. When we get to China, you will be locked in the car for the entire time.
We will now put you to sleep for the rest of the flight using beyond logic.
No. Please don't do this. I am really sorry.
Too bad.
I am so sorry you had to see that, Rosie. I hope you are feeling better.
I will get the flight attendant and help clean up. You can stay here and rest.
Wah. Where am I? Oh no. I'm in China. And my family left me in the car, and it's locked. I can't get out. Wah.
Can't touch this.